Yeah. Today we are going to discuss about pointers concept. So first of all, the theory about the pointers concept. Here it is. Pointers, a very important very important concept in C. First of all, so what is a pointer? Pointer is a reference variable. Is a reference variable. Pointer holds address of another variable. Pointer holds address of another variable. Pointer is a reference variable that holds address of another variable. So what is the syntax? Here it is. Whenever we are writing that syntax, whenever we write the syntax, the two syntaxes allowed. It's like a data type followed by star and this pointer name, or you can go with the data type and here it is a PTR. So like examples is the same. So whenever you are writing that pointer, integer pointer p you can take like this, or integer pointer p you can take. Both are allowed. There is no difference between these two. Both are allowed. Okay. No difference between these. And here it is a two operators we are using. Two operators. Operators used in pointer. Used in pointers. What are the two operators? First one is a address operator. Is a address operator. Sorry. Address. So what it will return? It returns address of specified variable. Next one is a pointer operator, that is a star. That returns value which is inside specified address. If you see the example, you will get clarity. Please note down this. Okay. Now, so we are writing one example to understand. Right. So I'm writing one program. First, I'll write the program, and then according to the program, I'm explaining the code. Int main, return 0. It's a normal. Now I'm taking one variable, integer. Let us take x is equals to 10. Now I'm taking the pointer variable. I already told you better pointer variable we are creating like this, or you can create like this. Is anyone? So both are allowed. Okay. Suppose this is the pointer variable. Consider pointer variable holds address. It holds address. So address of x. Now let me print first, then one by one, I'll explain according to that values. Okay. So percentage D, I'm printing that x value. Next, in the same way, %D, printing that address of x value. This is one. Next one is a %D, print p value. And next %D, print pointer to p value. Print pointer to p. Okay. So now how the memory will be allocated and how the codes get executed. See. Here it is some address 378140321010. Middle 2 is a 4032. Na? See here, what is the meaning? X gets memory with the value 10 and address is a 4032. This is how this memory will be allocated. Now P memory allocation is a P is memory is allocating. What you are allocating? Address of X we are storing into the variable called P. What is the address of X? 4032 you are storing into P. 4032. Then it is pointing to this one with the start. Now observe. When you print X value, what is that X value? 10. It will print value is a 10. Next, when you print address of X value, what is that address? Memory block address 4032 is printing. 40, not always 4032. Suppose if you run in your system, that memory address may change. Randomly, it will store into the memory. According to this system output, I'm explaining. And now P, look at this P. Whenever you are printing X value is a 10. So in the same way, whenever you are printing P, what is that P value? Is a 4032. So that 4032 is printing. Next, finally, pointer to P. Pointer to P means I already told you what pointer operator will return. What pointer operator will return? Returns the value which is present in specified address. In a specified address. Pointer P means P is a 4032 na. Pointer means the value which is inside that location. So that is what 10 it is printing. 10. Okay. Note this fast. You just write like this pointer P. Okay, now. So in this one, next one is a size of the pointer. Before that, call by value and call by reference we see. For that function is required. Look at this. I'm taking x value is a 5. X value is a 5. After that, here it is, I'm taking one function modify. For this, we are passing the x value. Observe this. Okay. Here, we are calling that modify function and passing that x value as an input. After that, printing x value in main. This is the main function. It's printing that x value. Printing x. Next in modify function, I'm just writing x is equal to x plus 1. Like x plus plus also you can write, or plus plus x also. Here also printing that x value. In modify we are writing. In modify. How this code gets executed? Void modify integer. Like how this code gets executed? When you run, output is a 6 and 5 coming. 6 and 5. So let me explain first how this code gets executed. This is the concept call by value, calling the function by passing by passing values as input. Values as input. How this code gets executed? First execution starts from the main function. So memory will be allocated for the main function. In the main function, x value gets memory. Like here it is a x value is a 5. X value is a 5. Now you are passing this x as an input to this modify. Nothing but modify memory will be allocated. This is modify. In this one again x gets memory. X gets memory in this. Okay. So this value 5 will come and store into this x. Here separate memory allocation, here separate memory allocation. Remember that. That 5 is coming. Now inside x equals to x plus 1. X equals to x plus 1 means what? That will affect here. That 5 becomes 6. And whenever you are printing x value in modify, is printing that x value is a 6 first. Once this execution completed, it will return to here. Whenever it is printing that x value, in this method, in this function, what is the x value? So that is printing x equals to 5. So output is x equals to 6, x equals to 5. Do this. Now, if it is a call by reference, whenever it is a call by reference, you are not passing, here it is a values as an input, okay, address values as a reference, address as input. And a very important one, whenever we specify address here, address you collect into pointer variable only. Pointer you need to specify. Here also operation through pointer. I'll explain how it happens. Space is not required, just for explanation sake I am writing. See that how the code gets executed, then you will get clarity. First, same one, program execution starts from the main. Here it is, main, execution starts. This is how execution starts, main. X variable get memory. X gets memory with the value is a 5. At some location, the memory will be allocated. Next, when you call modify function, so what you are passing here? Address of X we are passing, not X. Address of X means what? This 4025 you are passing. 4025 you are passing. So when you are calling that modify function into this X, you are passing address 4025 you are passing. Now look at this. Because of address, you are collecting into pointer type variable. And very, very important, in prototype also, you have to specify that pointer. You are not passing int, you are passing address. Now pointer X means, observe this, X is a 4025. Pointer X means what is this one? This one is a pointer X. So pointer X value 5, 5 plus 1 is a 6. And will store into that place only. Nothing but here only I'm modifying the value 6. So when you are printing here, pointer X value is a 6. And once it is completed, when it come back, whenever it is printing that X value also, 6 it is printing. 6 it is printing. Okay. Even though you are modifying here, right, it will affect the values here only with the help of passing address. Passing address is nothing but call by reference. Do this. Okay, now, and see that one point is a first size of the pointer we need to understand. Here, first let me explain with only main. So directly you can specify like this using that size of the function, size of character, size of character, percentage d. Here it is a size of predefined function is there. You can pass data type directly or variable also. Sir, I declare variable. Sorry, I declare variable. Can I pass variable means what? Yes. But why directly in a single statement? Size of the char. Next, in the same way, I'm writing size of integer I'm writing suppose. Size of double I'm writing suppose. Size of integer and size of double. Size of double. Look at this, sir. Why always you are writing percentage d, percentage d, percentage d? Size it is. Size means maybe 1 byte, 2 bytes, 3 bytes, 5 bytes, 8 bytes like this. When you run, look at the output. Character size is a 1 byte. Integer size is a 4 bytes. Double size is a 8 bytes. Like here, if you want to add that bytes, bytes, bytes. Now you can see that word bytes also. Size of character 1 byte, 4 bytes and 8 bytes. Now same story. I just copy paste all the three size of character pointer, simply size of char, integer pointer, double pointer size, char pointer, int pointer, double pointer. Now when you run this, if you see the output of this code, look at this 4 bytes, 4 bytes, 4 bytes only. 4 bytes, 4 bytes, 4 bytes. Reason is, see here, whenever it is a character type, it holds character as a something like a G. G occupies how many bytes? Only 1 byte memory. Next one, if you are storing integer occupies how many bytes? 4 bytes memory. It will store some value 13 consider. Double occupies 8 bytes memory. 8 bytes memory. In this one, like for example, 23.45 consider. You got it? Now, character pointer means it has address na? Pointer variable always stores what? Stores what? Address. Always stores address. Either it is a character pointer, y 4 bytes. Either it is an integer pointer, is a 4 bytes. Either it is a double pointer, is a 4 bytes. Why? Because all these are holds, not values. All these are holds addresses. 2045, 2565, 6253. Because all these address values are size of an integer. Address is an integer. So what is the size is 4 bytes. That is integer size only. What is the size of an integer? Address size is also same. Because pointers never hold data. Pointers hold address. Address means integer. So what is the integer size? It's the same size. So pointer size is equals to integer size. Integer size. Okay, note this. Okay. So practice all these things for today. In the tomorrow session, like pointer to structure. Structures you please practice. Pointer to array, pointer to string, and pointer to function. These concepts we will discuss. Okay, you can leave.